All right, what I'm going to do is we're swapping out the lower unit on this. It's a 25 horse Mercury two-stroke. This obviously is the old one. This is the new one. The problem is what we have here is this came off of a smaller, probably a 20 horse. I'm not exactly sure. And you can see the difference in the drive shaft here and the shift shaft. The biggest problem everybody has is actually how to get this shift shaft out of here. So I'm going to show you a couple of things. We have to start with the lower unit teardown. What you're going to have to do is right here on the bottom of this, I already have this one mostly removed. You're going to have a tool that looks about like this, and this is from, I bought this from Marine Tech, and it's a model NT0080. And what this allows you to do is come in here. It fits directly in. Hold on, just like that. And you're going to use a 1/2 inch wrench like this, and this is a left-hand thread. So in other words, you're going to spin this direction to take it off, and you're going to put it back the same way. The first thing you're going to have to remove, though, is this plate. These 3 screws, they fit directly down in the back, and they hold an O-ring, which is basically a gland seal. Take that out first, slide this tool in, and then you unscrew this direction. I already have this loose. And okay, so once you do that, you're going to come out with these pieces. And you can see what happened here, why I'm doing this, is if you take a look, you can see how twisted the spline is on this. This is where the prop would normally slide on at. It was so bad I couldn't even get this thrust washer off of here. So I had to I had that cut. And I want you to take a look at the side of this. I didn't care if I messed up this housing. You can tell just how terrible it is. Every bit of this is corrosion. And I cut with a side grinder here and cut through the shaft to get this off because the tool would not fit over this thrust washer. And this is what you wind up with is right here. You've got this that comes directly out. This is the piece, let's see if I can do this, that's going to slide out with the tool. You're going to have this nut, or this gear, excuse me, and it's connected to the bottom of this shaft. And you're going to have to